Welcome to another leg of my journey. So excited to welcome our new subscribers. This was one of my favorite meetups, glamping under the stars at the Sweet Vines Farm Winery in Unionville, Virginia. The grounds were beautiful. Campers had access to the pool house where we could shower, use the restrooms, or take a break from the sun in the air-conditioned seating area. They also had a television and Pac-Man Galaga arcade to play with. I'm thinking about investing in one. I'm really good at it. It was really nostalgic, reminding me of those game room days back in the days. They also had tiny home cottages that you could rent, but I chose to stay in my van. We also had a wine tasting where we had the opportunity to taste 6 different wines paired with seasoned popcorn. It was delicious. I decided to purchase 2 bottles of wine, a sweet white wine called The Ancestors, and a blueberry wine called Big Papa. Delicious. This popcorn was my favorite, the Shy. It was a mixture of caramel and cheese. I've never had a blend like that before. We also had a personal chef for the weekend. He has an establishment in Washington, D.C. It was true glamping, I'm telling you. We also went hiking on a trail that was actually deep in the woods. It was a lot of fun. At the end of the hike, we came across a pond, and it was just a beautiful sight to see. I love being in the outdoors, just taking in the fresh air and the serene landscaping. I just love it. I felt so overwhelmed with love and joy. I decided to hug a tree. It gave me a chance to ground. We had RV, tent, and van tours. I was the only car camper. I won first prize for having the most unique setup, which was a $100 Amazon gift card. Yay! During the weekend, we also had karaoke night, hear chef singing his heart out. Here we have another contestant. As you can see, she was singing. It was like we had a mini concert. There was a pool party under the moonlight and a movie night that I did not attend because by that time I was exhausted. Great people, great fun. I can't wait until next year. I hope Tiffany does this again. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to reading your comments. Thanks so much for watching.